Hey everyone, Abhishek here with another video. In this one, we'll be looking at uploading a project source to GitHub. In our last video, we made a digital clock using HTML, CSS and JS, and in this one, we'll upload it using the GitHub web interface to GitHub, and we'll make it live using GitHub pages. So let's get started. So at first what you'll need is a GitHub account. It's free to create. Just head over to github.com, only this bit, and enter a username and a password and your account will be ready. So after that, go to your profile and click on this plus button. Here you will find the new repository button. Click on that. So in here you can use templates, but in the beginning you won't have any. You can use one from other users if you want. I also have a few ready, but for now just we'll create one from scratch. Let's call it time. In the description just shows the time. Okay, we'll leave it as public because we want to host it to everyone. We will check add a readme file, and this is nothing but a description of our project, and we'll also check choose a license, and we'll just set it to GPL v3. So a license is nothing but it defines open source policies that your project is adhered to, that your project maintains, or the people who use your project should maintain certain rules. So all these are mentioned in the license. Okay, now just hit create repository, and in a couple of seconds your repository is ready. Now we have to do, since we will use the web interface for this, let's click on add file, upload files. Okay, now we'll click on choose files, click on projects and time, and we'll upload the files one by one. So at first we'll do index.html, and in the message write down add index.html, then leave it as it is, commit directly to master branch, and then click on commit changes. It will say processing. Then we'll do the same thing again. You can upload them all at once, but having them separately makes your commits atomic, and it's good for the long run. Upload files, scripts.js. Okay, add scripts.js. Okay, so this has been created outside, not where we should have it. So let's just change it. We'll do create a new file, and we'll just put in here scripts/scripts.js, and then we'll simply copy the contents of that file, projects, and here it is, the time folder. Okay, so let's open it up with any editor of your choice, and just copy the source code and just paste it over here. Then we'll say in the message is correct, create scripts.js. We'll hit commit new file. Okay, and let's see what we can do about this. We'll just hit delete on that file. Okay, the delete script.js looks fine. And for the final file, we'll say create new file again, and we'll do styles/styles.css, and in here we'll go to the correct file, open it up, copy the source code and just paste it over here. Create styles.css, looks good, and click on commit new file. Okay, so now that all that is done, we have to make this project live. So how do we make it live? We have to go to the project settings, the repo settings. So click on this settings button. You can change a lot of things down here. Right now what we are looking for is the GitHub pages section. Yeah, this is the GitHub pages section. All we have to do is choose the master branch and the root folder that is correct for us. We'll hit save, and let's see. Okay, so now it should be active at your profile's GitHub page, like your profile name .github.io / the repo name. So it should be active there. Let's click on that. Okay, as you guys can see, our project is now live at this URL. I hope this tutorial was good for you. I hope you guys can also make your own digital clocks and other little toys and maybe complex projects in the future and upload them to GitHub. This was uploading them using the web interface, but generally we use the command line for these things, and I'll make a video on that too in the future. So thanks for watching guys, and likes and subs will be appreciated. See you in the next one. Bye bye.